So my neighbor contacted me the other day and he said, hey, you want yourself a Lawnboy that doesn't run? I said, well, why doesn't it run? He's like, I don't know, I took apart the carb, still can't get it running, so if you want it, it's yours. So I said, sure. I got myself a new Lawnboy 149cc, and then turned her around and saw this. I was like, well, she might need a carb. So I did just that. Went and ordered a new carburetor online. It came in today. I'm looking this thing over. This thing even got electric start. I was like, man, this thing got ignition and everything. So let's see if we can rip this carb off and try to get her started. So the carburetor kit that I found on Amazon for it comes with a new air filter cover. Comes with a brand new carb. New fuel lines, which I might use. New filter. Gaskets. And a spark plug and a fuel filter. And then some springs. So let's get into it and start putting this on. So this was the old spark plug, pretty burnt. We're gonna replace it with that thing. All right, got everything put back on, new carburetor, new spark plug, put some new go-go juice in there. Let's see if she starts up. And just like that, I got me a running Lawnboy. For 20 bucks on Amazon, gets you a brand new carb kit, and that's all she needed. Now she's up and running. She just needs to get washed up and she's ready to cut.